Do you want to be able to make some nice plump chicken legs? Well, here's how. First, you need some breadcrumbs. I didn't have any, so I made my own, but if you have panko breadcrumbs, that'll work too. Next, you want to grind up some chicken. I had some spare, so I just used breasts and thighs, but if you have ground chicken you can buy, you can use that too. And how you do this is you're going to cut from the tip of the chicken all the way to the base, and you'll kind of make it look like a meat flour in the end. And then just turn it around and cut down all the way to the base again. Then cut between the gap that you just made on both sides, and then the meat should be free to be able to push down all the way to the base. And then you just push down the meat and make it look like kind of like a flour. Once you're done with your chicken, what you want to do is soak some of the breadcrumbs in milk until it becomes soggy. It'll help the meat stay moist and juicy and not become tough. It's like the same idea when you make meatballs. Next, you can throw in your chicken that you blended up or grounded and season it and then start mixing about. I just used some MSG, a little bit of salt, and pepper. Now we got all the stuff pretty much ready. All we gotta do now is grab yourself a boiled egg, obviously peel off the shell, then stick the egg on the bottom and kind of wrap the chicken legs meat already around it. Then add in the ground chicken that we just made all over it and add on as much as you want. Just remember, the more you do put on, the longer it'll have to be in the oven. Once all your chicken is done, you want to put it on an oven safe sheet. I oiled the bottom just so it doesn't stick to the bottom. And then I put it in the oven at 400 degrees for about 20 minutes. And then I put it under the broiler just to gain some color. And just make sure the chicken is actually cooked before you turn off the oven. But this is how my legs turned out. I think they turned out pretty nicely. I'm just coating it with some honey and teriyaki with pepper, all mixed together so it's nice, kind of like a sticky, glossy glaze. And just some rice and broccoli, and there you go. It looks very tasty and shiny.